Reena Gupta, are you on the back of the India Today investigation now willing to reassess your norms? Do you accept that the AAP government maybe opened up too soon, which allowed people to get more relaxed than they should have? What do you intend to do to try and pull in the reins?
So Rahul, I think, through your channel, the message I would like to give is that if your livelihood is not dependent on going out every day, then please stay at home, work from home, do not socialize. But having said that, there is a category of people that needs to go out every day. They need to work on their livelihood every day, and they would need to go out in order to ensure that there's food in their houses. At the same time, my request to the central government is that please, on a war footing, ensure that the vaccination supply in the country needs to be increased. There are still several things which the Delhi government has suggested, that the Supreme Court has suggested that needs to be done, including compulsory licensing, including involving PSUs for manufacturing. But we are still not doing that. We are still not approving new vaccines. So we'll have to do both of these things. Improve, increase the pace of vaccination in the country. We are in it together, the whole country. As you're seeing, people are moving from one state to the other. So if Delhi is vaccinated and the neighboring states are not vaccinated, it's not like we're not going to be safe. The whole country, we have to really ramp up vaccination and then continue to open slowly. And your investigation, I've taken heed of that, and we will definitely increase more checks and balances to ensure that such COVID inappropriate behavior can be stopped.
Parajatra Sarangi, do you have a plan on what the central government should be doing to push back the third wave? Because one, people have to behave responsibly, which they clearly not. The AAP government says they'll review their norms. Do you as a spokesperson of the ruling party at the centre have suggestions on what can be done?
Certainly. In fact, there is definitely an action plan before the central government with support from the state governments. We are implementing that plan. I told you, we would be vaccinating the entire eligible population as soon as possible. We are on the job. I gave you the figures, so that these are the figures. And at the same time, let me tell you that unlocking by the states has to be in a gradual, in a phased manner. And which district to open, how much to open, should be done very carefully. I know of some of the state governments who have actually put in a lot of efforts in analyzing the situation district-wise. What they have done is they have looked at the positivity rate, the number of deaths, the number of new cases, etc. And then there have been states where some of the districts have actually gone for more relaxation and some of the districts have gone for very less relaxation. It has to be very gradual and very in a phased manner it should be done.
Okay.
Certainly, in Delhi, all the